Hi, Paul Cork from Harcourt's Coastal. Welcome to my new listing at 13 Tashey Court here in Bundall. The location, first of all, we're on the northern side of the Gold Coast Turf Club, very close to shopping centres, schools being public and private, dog off-leash park just 40 metres away. So welcome, come and have a look through. So there you have it, folks. Thanks very much for joining me today at 13 Tashey Court. I hope you like the property. It's a wonderful home. Please feel free to reach out and contact me if you need any further details.